Hi, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to unbox 13-piece Carbide teeth plumbers hole saws set. It has 8 hole saws, as you can see. Sizes are written on the box, and 1 mandrel, 2 pilot belts, and 2 adapter nuts included in it, with a nice case. These hole saws are specially made for wood and metal. Now let me show you box from all sides. And after that we will open it. So its model number is DHS13SPLCT. And these hole saws, as you can see over here, are deeper than other hole saws. Now let me open it. Case looks like this from outer side. So it's the inner view of the case. As you can see, it's very well assembled, and it has 8 hole saws, 1 mandrel, 2 pilot bits, and 1 cobalt pilot drill bit, and another one is carbide pilot drill bit. Now let me show you how we can connect it. It's very quick connect, and see, it's really quick connect. And by this way you can release it. It's nice. It's very nice hole saw set. If you wanna watch Diablo 11-piece and 17-piece hole saw set, I already uploaded on my channel. It's Modern Tech Tool. You can watch over there and find differences between all of these. So I hope you like my video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks.